U.S. District Judge Thomas Ludington of the Eastern District of Michigan has taken a voluntary leave of absence following an October 2025 arrest for driving under the influence DUI. The 72-year-old judge was charged with super drunk driving after a crash with a blood alcohol level over 3 times the legal limit, reports say. Ludington crashed his vehicle, causing airbag deployment, and told police he did not remember the incident.
Central 7341, I'll be out with that Cadillac. Take a look at this side. Sir, can you get out of the vehicle, or is your door stuck?
Nope. I can get out. I'm not exactly sure why these deployed.
You're not sure why?
No.
Okay. Well, the side of your car would indicate you struck something.
Like where?
Okay. Let me do a favor and walk around to the back of your car there.
Okay.
Okay. Just do me a favor. Turn. Stop.
Yep.
Just turn around.
Yep.
Right here. Back of your car.
Yep.
Back of your car. Sir, step over to the back of your car.
Yep.
Okay. Step over.
Put your butt against the back of your car.
Come over
Put your
this
butt
way.
right here.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Tom.
Tom, how much you had to drink today?
Nothing tonight.
Nothing.
No.
Okay. Did you take anything? You on any medications?
No.
Okay. Well, you were in an accident here. You struck some signs. Your vehicle was called in. You have full airbag deployment, so it tells me you struck something, right?
Yep.
Right. So there's something going on.
Yep.
All right. Do you have any head injuries? Any history of head injuries?
No.
No. Never been knocked unconscious?
No.
Okay. No concussions or anything?
I'm actually a federal judge.
Okay. Do you have any history of diabetes? Are you on blood thinners at all?
No.
Okay. All right. Are you able to see my finger right here?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't wear contact lenses. Usually you don't normally wear glasses?
Right.
Okay. Why don't you just go ahead and put your hands by your side. Take one step away from your vehicle for me. Away from your vehicle for me. Step toward me, one step.
Yep.
Toward me, one step. Okay. Very good. All right, sir. You're going to put your feet together for me.
Yep.
Put your hands by your side. Okay. You see my finger? I want you to look at my finger, okay? You're looking at me. I need you to look at my finger.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. I want you to follow my finger with your eyes without moving your head. Okay? You understand that?
Yep.
Okay. I need you to look at my finger.
Yeah.
All right? And follow my finger.
I understand.
Okay. All right. I need you to follow with my finger here.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. You're not tracking my finger. All right, you're looking at me. I want you to look at my finger for me, all right?
Yep.
Look at that. Can you see the finger? Okay. Track my finger with your eyes without moving your head.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you're moving your head. I need you to move just your eyes. All right, you're not doing that at all. Okay, sir. What I want you to do is I want you to imagine a straight line running from the back of your car down the hill there, okay?
Yep.
And place your hands by your side for me. Keep them there for me. All right.
And walk.
No, sir. I want you to follow my instructions. I'll tell you when to begin. All right? I want you to imagine that straight line right there.
Yeah.
Okay? I want you to place your left foot on that line. I want you to place your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Can you do that for me?
Think so?
No, sir. I want you to watch my... Okay. All right, sir. I want you to just wait right here. Let's step back up against your car. I want you to lean against your car for me. All right. Lean up against your car for me. Take some of my car. So I want you to be honest with me. Tell me how much you had to drink today.
Seriously, I don't think I had anything.
You don't think so? Where are you coming? Where are you coming from?
Federal court in Bay City, Michigan.
In Bay City?
Yeah.
So you've driven all the way up from Bay City?
Yep.
All right. Where are you headed to?
House.
All right. Do you have any history of driving drunk at all? Have you ever been arrested before?
Nope.
Okay, sir.
I've dealt with a lot of people that have.
Yeah, I understand that. All right. So what I'm going to do is ask you to take a preliminary breath test for me.
Yep.
Okay. So with request for peace officers, I'm sure you understand the state of Michigan, you're required to submit to a preliminary breath test. Do you have any questions about that?
Nope.
Okay. What I want you to do is take a deep breath from the bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady until I tell you to stop, okay?
Yep.
Okay, can you open your mouth for me?
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, can you open your mouth for me? You got gum in your mouth, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pitch that for me. Okay. I'm going to have to wait just a moment before we do the next one since you had that gum in your mouth.
Yep, I understand.
Do you have a wallet in the vehicle or is it on your person?
In the vehicle.
In the vehicle, would you mind telling my partner here where it is? Where your wallet is? I just want your driver's license.
Yeah.
Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to get it instead?
Now, what I can't understand is what happened here.
Well, I'll show you real quick.
Yeah?
Go ahead and get your wallet for me. Do you have any weapons or anything in the car?
Oh, yeah. I got a lot of weapons.
Do you have anything? Okay. Thank you. All right, see, sir, right over here,
Yeah?
you see the damage to the side of your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, was this here when you started your drive up from Bay
No.
City? It was not.
No.
Okay. And we had a report that your vehicle struck some signs on the road about a mile back that way. Okay? Which would explain your airbag deployment.
Here in Emmett?
Yeah, on this road, it's about a mile back that way.
I can't explain it.
You have no memory hitting the signs?
No.
Okay, your airbag's just deployed.
Yeah.
And you drove from where they deployed
To here.
to here.
Yep.
About how long were you driving with those airbags deployed?
Well, I can't tell you that I know when this deployed. I don't. I have no memory of that.
All right, no memory of it at all. What is the last thing you do remember?
I mean, I've been driving up from Bay City to get to the Cadillac. That's it. I don't know anything about this. I mean, it doesn't.
Okay. What time did you leave your cottage in Bay City? Or what time did you leave Bay City?
4 o'clock?
About 4 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you've been driving for about 3.5 hours, almost?
Yep.
About 3 hours at least? Okay. Did you make any stops along the way?
No.
No stops along the way?
Just to stay in touch with my wife, who was supervisor.
Okay. All right. Okay, sir. Go ahead and step back to the back of the vehicle again for me.
Yep.
Go ahead and step back over here for me.
Yes, sir.
So you don't take any medications at all?
None.
None.
No.
You haven't taken anything today?
No.
Okay. All right. Can you pick a number between 19 and 21 for me?
I beg your pardon?
Can you pick a number between 19 and 21?
Yeah, it's not hard, but I mean, why? What would be?
Just a question I'm trying to assess.
15.
Okay. So, as you pick a number between 19 and 21, and you pick 15?
Yep.
Okay. All right. You're a federal judge, so I assume you have advanced levels of education?
Yeah. So?
Okay, sir. So you know your ABCs, right?
I do.
Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to recite your ABCs for me without singing, beginning with C and ending with Q. You can begin when you're ready.
A, B, C, D, E, F, Q, F, R, A, Q, A, T, S, C, R, C, T.
All right, sir. What I'm going to do is we're going to have to take it since your mouth didn't have something out of your mouth, and now we go ahead and take another preliminary breath test.
I started as a informal judge working with a gentleman by the name of Chuck.
Okay.
Do you know him?
I don't know that name. Nope. All right, sir, I want you to take a deep breath from the bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady till I tell you to stop.
Yep.
Blow hard for me. Okay, we got to stop. All right. Deep breath, bottom of your lungs, blow long and steady. Okay? Like you're blowing up a balloon. That ain't going to do it. All right? Got to take a deep breath, blow hard, like you're blowing up a balloon. Okay?
Yeah.
Take that deep breath, blow long and steady till it doesn't stop. You're sucking on it now.
I beg your pardon?
You're sucking on it now. I need you to blow. I can feel when you're blowing, all right?
Yeah.
So take a deep breath
Yep.
from the bottom of your lung, like that. Blow long and steady till it tells you to stop. Take your deep breath. Take a deep breath. Blow. Blow hard. Harder, harder, harder. Okay? We're going to try something else here. All right? Once you try that again, take a deep breath.
What are we doing here?
We're taking a preliminary breath test because you're not following my instructions.
Why not?
Because you're not blowing. Okay?
I beg your pardon?
You're not blowing through the straw.
Yeah.
You got to blow through the straw for the test to top.
Yeah. What am I not doing?
You're not blowing. Okay? So without this here, take a deep breath for me.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath.
Yep.
No, go ahead and take the deep breath now.
Yep.
Blow out hard like you're blowing up a balloon.
Yeah. I get it.
Okay.
Why haven't I?
I want you to do that for me as an example, like this.
No.
Right? Yep.
My experience has been that people have a tendency to roll up and then roll down.
Okay.
And you're always trying to figure out where they are in that process.
All right. All I want you to do is blow through the straw.
Right.
Okay? If you don't blow through the straw, I'm going to take that as a refusal.
Sure.
Okay?
I get it.
So will you blow for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have. 3 times.
Nope, didn't blow. Right? Because the machine can sense when you blow. Okay?
I beg your pardon?
The machine can sense when you blow. All right, so if you don't blow again, I'm going to take that as a refusal. All right?
We've done it 3 times.
You haven't done it.
Why?
Okay? Because you haven't blown through the tube like I've directed you to. Okay? So, are you going to blow?
Well, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Okay. Go ahead and take that for me. All right, sir, turn around, place your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for operating under the influence tonight. I want you to interlace your fingers for me. Turn your palms together.
So, what the hell are you doing?
I'm arresting you for operating under the influence, sir.
Well,
You are very clearly intoxicated. I've got the odor of alcohol coming from you, even though you say that you haven't had anything to drink today. You were involved in a motor vehicle accident. You're unable to follow simple instructions or take any of the tests that I'm offering you here. So I'm going to go ahead and put you in my vehicle. Come on with me.
Okay.
Did you call in the car?
Yeah, I did.
You did.
Blue car. The one behind you.
This one right here. All right.
so,
Come on, walk with me.
I am.
I'm going to need to get her back. Okay. Go ahead and stand up against that door for me.
What in the hell are we doing?
I've told you, sir, you're under arrest.
Yeah, well, I get that. I mean, that's daily business for me.
Yeah, I understand. All right, go ahead. Turn around, you're going to sit in the seat.
Yeah?
Sit down. Okay. Now, place your feet in the vehicle.
Yeah.
Turn toward the vehicle. Place your feet in the floorboard.
I beg your pardon?
Place your feet in the floorboard of the vehicle.
All right, where are we going?
We're going to jail. Okay? Okay.
Did you get his
Sit
wallet?
back.
Judge Thomas Ludington, the man who has sent countless people to prison, the man who denied compassionate release to over 40 inmates during a pandemic, walked out of custody on a $500 bond. His trial is scheduled for May 8th in Emmett County. If convicted of the superdrunk charge, he faces up to 180 days in jail and a 1-year license suspension. We'll be following this case closely. If you want updates, subscribe and hit the bell. We'll cover it the moment something changes.